You know, it's funny. Sometimes you'll hear roofers that always complain about T-lock, but just look at this magnificent thing. Now you can see the bumps, the rows. So that's the roof underneath it. That's the exposure of the roof that's underneath it, making little humps. And when you look up here, you notice how built up that ridge is? I'd bet probably at least 2-3 layers of ridge cap. Actually haven't had a chance. So see at the edges, my ladder's all the way over there, so I really haven't even looked to see how many layers this has yet. My main focus right now is to look to see if I could find any hail, and just look how beautiful this is. I guarantee you, every one of these neighbors around here have had 3 or 4 roof replacements in this time. In fact, I know they have, because looking down this way is a roof I've been on 3 different times now. Just baffles me. And it's got multiple layers on it. So that tells me this roof is pre-2005. I mean, it's T-lock, so we already know it's old. But yet again, T-lock roofs withstood the hail, withstood the wind with a little reinforcement. And even though putting it on multiple layers makes it a little bit more susceptible. Check this out, that's 1 layer, 2 layers. I'm gonna have to double check by the ridge, but I think this is 3 or 4 layers.